Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code with Stinson. Today let us discuss about printing. We all know that printing can be done in using a println method in Java. Apart from println, there are different types of printing function that can the printing methods methods that can be used for printing. Okay, so the first one is print. Then you people know this println. Okay, so println, we know about println, so I won't discuss about uh, println method in this video. We there is a something there is a method called printf. Then we have format. Okay, so print method. Let us discuss about print method. So let us erase this, clear this is the program which in the program to swap two numbers. If you don't know about bitwise operator, please watch the previous video. Okay, here printing, if I write system, say all these methods belong to the same class, that is system class. Then out we have to use, then we see, you can see print. See, if I click print, we have print boolean b, print character, print I, long, float, double. So if you see this these options, you one thing is for sure, print is an overloaded method, and println is also overloaded, printf is also overloaded. Okay, so overloaded in the sense, say I'll, I think I have told you this in the earlier videos. There is a separate topic called the method overloading. There I'll explain. Okay, so if you don't know about overloading, then it's fine. Okay, but remember this println and printf format methods in Java are overloaded method. What is method overloading? There is a separate video for that. I'll teach you in later sections. Okay, so now let us explore print. What is print? Hey, let us write one more statement. I won't use print. I println. Let us write hello. So according to this code, hi should be printed, hello should be printed. It should be printed in separate line because I'm using two different print statements. So let us see the output. I don't know what will happen. Let us see the output. Okay, see, if you clearly observe here, here as soon as hi is printed, hello is printed in the next character, from the next character only. There is no space or there is no new line character, there is no new line. If println is used, for example, see, if I use println here, then if I compile the program, see, after printing hi, the cursor will point to the next line, and then the other thing is hello is printed. That's the difference between println and print. It prints the argument passed or values passed here, but it does not take the cursor to the next line. Okay, that's the difference between println. If you write println, if you use println, it prints the value within the quotes and takes the cursor to the next line. But here it only prints the value, the cursor is not taken to the next line. That's the difference between print. Now let us explore printf, very important method. Okay, why we use printf? If you are a C programmer, you know about printf. There we use printf for printing. Why? What's we use in Java? The same printf statement is supported in Java. Why we use printf here instead of println? If we want the formatted output, or if we want formatted output or formatted text or formatted something, we can use system dot I mean printf method. What is formatted output? Let me show you. System dot out dot printf. Okay, printf. Yes, this is also overloaded because there are two types, two printfs, different printfs. They are not different. I'll tell you about method overloading in the later section. Let me not confuse you. Remember this: printf, println, format are all overloaded functions. Sorry, methods. Okay. What is it is used for formatted output. What do you mean by formatted output? For example, if you write the name is slash t 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 slash n sorry slash n so what happened? Slash n slash n slash n slash n slash n Yash. The name is Yash. This is the string, okay. But in between, I have used special characters, that is slash t in the sense space, and slash n in means new line character. This is the formatted output. So for this kind of output, we use printf method, okay. So in printf, uh, there is something printf method contains something called format specifier. For example, let me show you. Int a equals 10. Okay, this is the variable. If I want to print the value of a, I write percentage d comma a, close the bracket and semicolon. This is what this percentage d, or this one is called as format specifier. So let us discuss about format specifier now. Okay, format specifier is a huge thing. This percent and d is a part of it, that's it. Okay, so format specifier, what is the basic structure for format specifier? It starts with percentage, single percentage, and if there is argument index, we can specify that. Okay, if there is flags, we can specify that. If width is there, we can specify that. Then if there is a precision, we can specify that. Then we can use a conversion. We should use conversion. Okay. Let me decrease the size. This is the actual this is the what you can say structure for format specifier. It starts with percentage. If there is argument index, this is argument index is optional. Flags is also optional. Width is also optional. Precision is also option. The only thing is required. This is the only thing is mandatory is this percentage and this conversion. What do you mean by conversion? Conversion in the sense, conversion, or for integer we say d for decimal, or o for d for decimal, x for hexadecimal, etc. These are called as conversions. For float we say f, for double we say d, for character we say c, for string we say yes. So these are the d, x, f, d, c, s are the conversions. Okay, these are the conversions. Then to print a integer value, we use printf. To print a integer value, I have showed you this here, percentage d and this one. Okay, now let us learn about argument index. What is argument index? I'll tell you. Argument index. Okay, here we can use argument index to print any order irrespective of the order of the argument list. I'll repeat, argument index is used to print in any order irrespective of the order in the argument list. So let me show you with an example, then only it will be easy to understand. Okay, I'll write a simple int a equals 10. Okay, then I'll write character r equals w. Character should be enclosed in single quotes. Then I'll write string str equals hello. Okay, now I'll write system dot out dot println, not println, sorry, printf. God, I'm used to println because we use the println most of the time, no, that's why. According to the structure we have to write percent. If there is argument index we should specify, so I'll specify argument index. So I am trying to explain argument index, so I'll specify argument index here. 3 is the argument index. Okay, then after writing the argument index it should close with what? It should close with dollar symbol. Where you can find dollar symbol in the keyboard, you can find dollar symbol, just go through the keyboard once. Then I have to write the conversion. Here I am trying to print string, so I write yes, then I use space percentage 1. Okay, dollar d. Okay, here I'm trying to print what? I'm trying to print integer, then space percentage 2 dollar, sorry, dollar c. Here I'm trying to print character. Okay, so first I'll give a as the argument, which is integer. According to this, a should be printed first, then I'll give r. uh, According to this, r should be, that is the character should be printed second, and then last I'll write str. Okay, so str, this is semicolon. So let us see the output. As you can see here, the output is for output is string, string first, then the integer, then the character. But in the argument list, the first I have used is integer, it should print first. Second I have used character, second character should be printed second. Okay, then the in last we should print, it should print string. But that's what the use of argument index. We can change the order of the argument list. Okay, so here I have used percentage 3 dollar yes. Here 3 indicates that print third argument first. Okay, then it should close with the dollar, and the conversion type here, string, we are using string type, so yes, here we are saying print the first argument, which is print the first argument here. So that's why we have used number 1. Here we are saying that print second argument here, so that's why we are using 2. That's the use of argument index. Okay, now let us look, let us discuss about flags. Okay, so flags, there are different types of flags here. So flags, minus, comma, plus, comma, 0, comma, nothing, comma, open bracket. Sorry, this is this is okay. The argument index, the flags will be continued in the next video because the length of the video will be more. So I'll continue in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.